Hello, it's time to cover another page in the tenor saxophone book, and today we're on page 24. So on the top of page 24 we have one new idea. DC al fine is normally the way you're going to see that written in a piece of music. It stands for da capo al fine, and if you would look at number 105, we see DC al fine at the end of the song. So it means DC means go back to the beginning. Al fine means until you see the word fine, which means end. And so in 105, we go back to the beginning, and then we stop when we get to the word fine. That would be the second time through. All right. We also have a new note, but we'll get to that when we get to number 103. So let's dig in to number 99, which is called Warm Up. By the way, remember to always check your key signature. Sometimes you will see a B flat, sometimes you will see an F sharp, sometimes you will see nothing. Make sure you're paying attention so you know which B and which F to use. All right. This is 99. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 100 does have a key signature. Make sure you pay attention to that. So we're going to use F sharp, which we learned last time. F sharp is the second finger of the right hand. And let me slow this down a little bit. A little bit more. 2 beats in a measure. 1, 2. And then take a look at the next one. There is one difference. Key signature. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, number 102 uses B natural to B flat back and forth. You might want to practice that fingering a little bit before you dig into the song, and try to make sure that you're moving your fingers together as you go from one note to the next, or you might get a note that you don't want to come out in between. All right. First note is high C. Remember, there is a B flat in the key signature, so unless there's a natural sign in that measure, it will be B flat. And put this up a little. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 103, Smooth Sailing has a new note. It's not really a new note. It is F without the thumb. So this is the lower F, And it's 3 fingers of the left hand, first finger of the right hand. So the name of this note is F. Another word for it, another name for it would be F natural. There is a key signature on this one too. Make sure you pay attention to that. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, play. Number 104 is called Roses from the South. Note that there is no key signature, but there are flats given within the song. When a flat, sharp, or natural is given in a song, it is called an accidental. So we have several accidentals in this one. 3 beats in a measure, no key signature, so we're going to start with the first note is F. First finger of the right hand, no thumb. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 105, theme from Hansel and Gretel. Check the key signature. Remember what DC al fine means. So we will go back to the beginning and we will stop at the word fine. Also, there is a repeat sign at the end of the 4th measure. So we will take that repeat also. All right, starting with F again. First finger, no thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 4 tenor saxophones only. A reminder to use the F sharp fingering the alternate F sharp fingering when you're going from F natural, F sharp, or G to F sharp, back and forth from F natural. So where the asterisk is marked, that's where you should use the F sharp alternate fingering. Note the key signature. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one note, as the book progresses, the exercises get more challenging. So it may take you more time practicing in order to get a song ready to go and sounding good, and so you can play it through. So that is very natural and normal. You should expect that. All right, that takes care of page 24. We'll see you next time.